In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and manage your account using Hostinger's platform effectively. This guide is designed to help you easily oversee important aspects of your hosting subscription, ensuring you're always on top of your service details and expiration dates. To begin, you'll need to head over to Hostinger's H-Panel. If you're not familiar with it, H-Panel is Hostinger's custom-built control panel, designed to simplify managing your web hosting account. So the first step is to make your way to the Home section of Hostinger's H-Panel. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in hpanelhostinger.com, then hit Enter. Once there, you might be required to log in with your account credentials if you're not already. This brings you to the home page, a centralized dashboard where you can see all your active hosting services and essential functions at a glance. Now, to check on your hosting subscription details, you'll want to focus on the section dealing with subscriptions and billing. Locate and click on the Billing tab in the top menu of the H-Panel. Here you will find all relevant information regarding your subscriptions, including the billing cycle and renewal details. This area is particularly crucial for keeping track of when your services are due for renewal. Which brings us to the next important task, monitoring your expiration dates. Staying on top of your expiration dates is vital to prevent any unexpected interruptions in your hosting services. Within the billing section, you'll find a list of your active subscriptions, each with its respective expiration date. Click on the option labeled Expiration Date next to the subscription you wish to check. This action will provide you with more detailed information related to the renewal status and potential actions you might need to take. Regularly reviewing these dates will help ensure that you have ample time to renew any services before they lapse. While you're there, it's also a good idea to take note of any pending actions. Sometimes, you may have pending updates that could influence the performance or security of your web services. Addressing these promptly can prevent potential issues and keep your sites running smoothly. Additionally, Hostinger often provides helpful notifications and options for managing your account settings and preferences, all aimed at enhancing your overall user experience. Make sure to explore these settings to customize your account according to your needs. By familiarizing yourself with this process, you're taking a proactive step toward effective account management on Hostinger. Not only does this allow you to manage your services efficiently, but it also empowers you to make informed decisions that benefit your website's performance and longevity. So the next time you log into Hostinger, remember this guide and ensure you're always up to date with your hosting needs.